Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix UpScrolled when it's not working, crashing, stuck on loading, or showing errors like something went wrong, try again later. So if the app won't open or keeps freezing, just follow these simple step-by-step fixes to get it working again. Alright, let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A slow or unstable network is one of the most common causes of loading and crashing problems. If you're on Wi-Fi, try switching to mobile data. If you're using mobile data, switch to Wi-Fi. You can also turn airplane mode on for about 10 seconds, then turn it off to refresh your connection. Next, if you're on Android, open the Settings app on your phone. Scroll down and tap on Apps, then choose Manage Apps or All Apps depending on your device. Now use the search bar at the top, type UpScrolled, and tap on the app when it appears. Inside the app settings, tap Force Stop and confirm to completely close the app. After that, tap on Storage, then tap Clear Data and select Clear Cache, then confirm. This will remove temporary files that may be causing the app to crash or fail to load. If you're on iPhone, the best solution is to uninstall and reinstall the app. This clears old data and often fixes small bugs that stop the app from working properly. Next, open the Google Play Store or App Store, search for UpScrolled, and make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Updates usually fix bugs, crashes, and performance issues. If the problem continues, restart your phone. A simple reboot can fix many temporary system glitches. And finally, if none of these steps work, the issue might be on UpScrolled's server side. Since UpScrolled is a new app and a lot of new users are trying to sign up at the same time, their servers can sometimes become overloaded. This can cause crashing, loading problems, or sign-up errors. If that happens, just wait a few minutes or hours and try again later. And that's it. By following these easy steps, you should be able to fix UpScrolled crashing, loading problems, and common errors. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick and helpful tutorials.